हॅलो एव्हरीवन. सो आज आपण डीप लर्निंगचा प्रॅक्टिकल नंबर 2 बघणार आहोत. बिकॉज एनी 3 आहे त्याच्यात. सो टेक्निकली दिस इज थर्ड प्रॅक्टिकल, बट सिरियली मी याला सेकंड प्रॅक्टिकल म्हणणार. सो दिस इज द फॅशन मिन्स क्लासिफिकेशन using CNN. So this one, Convolutional Neural Network, CNN. And from this we are using this. So use MNIST Fashion Dataset and create a classifier to classify fashion clothing into categories. So let's get started. Let's transition to code. Okay, so starting the upon, so imports here. So as usual, for all practicals, we'll need TensorFlow as TensorFlow TF. Then model build करण्यासाठी आपल्याला TensorFlow मधूनच Keras from TensorFlow Keras, import layers and models, and finally result plot करण्यासाठी import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and we'll add another code block for loading our data. So fashion MNIST whatever. So tf.keras.datasets dot fashion MNIST dot load data, आणि मग ह्याला स्प्लिट करू आपण इंटू x train, y train, x test, y test is equal to fashion MNIST. Then we need to reshape our data, because in this dataset there are various images, black and white images, ज्यांचे dimensions आहे 28 by 28 pixels. So we need to reshape that data. Explain dot reshape -1 28 28 1. Let's type float. So float 32 divided by 255 for the colors, and we'll do the same for x test. Exactly the same, just one variable change करू x test आणि x test. Let's run it for the sake of it. Yeah, everything is working fine. आता आपण बनवू actual model. So kindly pay attention, कारण model मध्ये बरेच layers आहे. So models dot sequential, we are creating everything sequentially, adding layers. So starting ला आपण देऊ layers. The problem statement मध्येच आहे convolution, आणि डेटा आहे 2D, म्हणून 2 dimensional डेटासाठी convolutional 2D. Nodes will be 32, 3 by 3. Activation function is ReLU as previous practical, and input shape is equal to 28 28 1. Okay, this is the first layer. त्याच्यानंतर अजून एक लेअर, अजून एक नाही, अजून किती आय गेस 5 layers. Max pooling, not 1D, we need 2D. So 2D 32 by 2. Then we need to flatten the dataset. So flatten. Then we'll add another layer. Layers are dense. ही लेयर आपण मागच्या प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये पण यूज केली होती. We'll add 64 nodes. Its activation function is also ReLU, duration, ReLU, and then another layer dot dense. याचे nodes कमी आहे 10 आणि याचं activation आहे activation softmax. Okay, so CMFDD, yeah, असा ऑर्डर लक्षात ठेवू शकतो आपण. C for convolution 2D, M for max pooling 2D, F for flatten, and DD for dense. And finally, we need to compile it. Compilation मध्ये पण थोडे options changed आहे compared to previous practical. Optimizer is still Adam. Optimizer still Adam. Loss हा थोड़ा different है. Loss is sparse categorical since data is categorical. Cross entropy. Entropy. Cross TROSSENTRO. Yeah, okay. Yeah. आणि metrics मध्ये accuracy. Let's run it. There is an error with dense. Yeah, I forgot the column. Not column, comma. After that, we'll add one more code block to train our model. History is equal to model dot fit x train y train. Epochs में कमेज देना याला. This one takes a while. Validation split as usual 0.2. And verbose, don't want any verbose outputs, so I'll just click 0. And I'll add one more code block. Plotting साठी याला run करून बघू आधी. Control enter. Yeah, this will take a while. Until then, मी plot करतो. PLT plot history dot history. पहिले accuracy घेऊ. Accuracy label training accuracy. आणि PLT plot history dot history value accuracy. याचा label राहील validation accuracy. So validation accuracy. Look at this, it is still going on. Also, it is संपायच्या आधी म्हणजे PLT X label video म्हणजे code संपायच्या आधी. Epochs X axis at epochs आणि y axis साठी PLT y label accuracy. As usual, we'll show the legend because that is helpful, and we'll show the chart itself. And finally, okay, now explain. Yeah, 1 minute 38 seconds. Finally, we'll add one more code. Test loss, test accuracy, test accuracy is equal to model evaluate. किती parameters असतात? 3 parameters. X test, Y test, verbose. I don't want any, so 0. And let's print it. Test accuracy is equal to test accuracy. Test loss पण आपण प्रिंट करून घेऊ. Test loss. Okay. So this one is completed. So we'll just run this one. Training accuracy and validation accuracy. And this one. So test loss is 0.30, so 30%, and accuracy is 90%. So not bad for 10 epochs. Definitely increase करू शकतो, पण keep in mind time will also increase tenfold if you change this to 100 or something. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is a highly toned down or compressed version of this practical. तुम्ही तुमच्याप्रमाणे व्हिज्युअलायझेशन ॲड करू शकता, बट मला कोड शॉर्ट ठेवायचं होतं, शॉर्ट अँड कन्साइज. सो yeah, this is it. And let's transition back to the title screen. So thanks for watching. Hope तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल, तुम्हाला थोडी हेल्प झाली असेल या व्हिडिओने. And please subscribe. We are really close to 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, that's it for this video.